Alright guys, welcome to another edition of Learn with Ease. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document to PDF. Maybe you finished making your documents and you want to send it to someone and you don't want it to be editable, so you have to convert it to PDF. Alright, so if you have a document, we have a sample here like this, already typed, prepared to be saved. So in order to convert this into PDF, you click the function key Fn with the F12 key at the same time. Alright, then you'll be brought an option will spring up, or if you don't want to use the keys, you can easily click on File, then Save As. If you don't want to use the shortcut keys, Alright, so now and you look for a particular folder I want to save the document. Let me save it on desktop. Alright, so now we'll leave the file name as this, then save as type. So this is where you have to change the format, the file format. So we have other formats here available, but we want to convert it to PDF. So now we'll click on PDF. Yes. Alright, so we can set other options for it, like optimize for standard, which is publishing online and printing, or can choose the minimum size, which is just for publishing online alone. But I'll prefer to leave it at the standard because you can use it both for online and for printing. Alright, so you can even add tags to it. You can even change the author, name of the author, like that. Alright, so now we click on Save. Okay, I already have a file named with this, so let me just replace. Alright, so in some cases when you save, it opens automatically in some other app. Alright, so now we've converted this document to PDF. Alright, so now let's look for where it's saved. Alright, so okay, we have it here, WAEC 2022. Let's open it. See. Alright. Alright, so Word document has been converted to PDF. As you can see, this is the PDF and this is the Word. As you can see, this is the Word document. This is the one converted to PDF. Alright, so that's how you can convert your Word document to PDF. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share, and comment. Thank you.